Good morning, students. Welcome back to my class. We see a lot of things around us plants, animals, etc. But there are some organisms which are very small and cannot be seen by our naked eyes. Those organisms are known as microorganisms or microbes. Microbes are found everywhere in air, water, soil, and also inside the bodies of plants, animals, and humans. They can be seen only with the help of an instrument called microscope. Microbes are basically divided into 5 groups: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, virus, and algae. Some microbes are useful to us and some are harmful for us. Viruses are the small agents that can grow only inside the body of a living organism. Fungi grow on dead and decaying plants and animals. Some examples of fungi include mushroom, molds, and yeast. They cause skin diseases such as ringworm. Students, first we will study about useful microbes. Lactobacillus is a type of bacteria which changes milk into curd. Cheese is also made from this type of bacteria. Secondly, Rhizobium is a bacteria which is also known as nitrogen fixing bacterium. Now let's see why it is named so. This Rhizobium bacteria changes nitrogen gas from the atmosphere into nitrogen compounds which can be used by the plants easily. So Rhizobium bacteria is known as nitrogen fixing bacteria. It is mainly present in the soil and in the roots of leguminous plants like soybeans, pulses, peanuts, etc. Yeast is a type of fungus which is used in the baking process. That means it is used in the making of bread, cakes, idlis or pastries. The addition of yeast makes these products soft and fluffy. Bacteria and fungi, they are known as decomposers and they also help to reduce pollution because they feed on dead plants and animals and make them compost. This compost, when mixed in the soil, they make the soil rich in nutrients. Some microbes are there which help in the preparation of antibiotics and vaccines. Antibiotics are medicines that destroy disease-causing organisms. And bacteria and fungi are mainly used to make antibiotics. Penicillin is a type of antibiotic, or I can say that it is the first antibiotic which is prepared from fungus. Microbes are also used in the manufacture of vaccines. Vaccines are prepared from microbes which help us or protect us from many diseases. Some microbes are present in the digestive system of human beings and herbivores like bacteria which is present in our digestive system. They help in the proper digestion and also produce certain vitamins like vitamin B. Okay, students, the harmful microbes that cause diseases are known as germs. First, let's see what is a disease. Disease is an abnormal condition of one or more body parts that does not allow the body to function properly. Diseases are of two types: communicable diseases or infectious diseases. Second, non-communicable diseases or deficiency diseases. These communicable diseases are caused by the harmful germs or the microbes. Now, these germs are present everywhere around us. They grow rapidly when they get warm, food and air. They grow even inside the bodies of human beings and animals. Now, have a quick look at the diseases which are caused by these harmful germs or microbes. The diseases which are caused by bacteria are typhoid, diphtheria, pneumonia and tuberculosis. Diseases caused by virus include measles, polio, smallpox, common cold, etc.